Hey, are you ready for your virtual test drive with Will's Wheels? So today I'm going to take you around our 1995 BMW E34 525tds Auto. Now, this has the M51 2.5 diesel engine, which is in excellent shape. This car's done 172,000 miles. This engine is running lovely. So it's completely standard, there's nothing messed around with. This car is Oxford green. It really does sparkle on a day like this. This car has the sport bumpers on it. It also has Style 71 alloy wheels, which are off an E39. They are split rims, they're made by Chromadora, and these ones are in fairly decent shape and they've got good tyres on them as well. Because it's a 95 car, it came as standard with the side skirts on it and the shadow line trim as well. Has a little Hella spoiler on it, which is pretty rare as well. It is bowing unfortunately a little bit in the middle just due to the weight of them and the way they're made. So it is an option whether you want smoke tail lights on it or whether you want the standard orange ones. You'll also see there has parking sensors, and we'll also see down here that we have Scorpion exhaust tips on the exhaust. The exhaust is slightly louder than standard. It has the upswept Scorpion, so everybody will think you're driving an M5 or something. It has lovely little pressed plates as well, black badges. And inside, fairly clean boot lid there. We'll see a nice fairly clean boot itself as well, which is nice to see in one of these because a lot of times the carpets get wrecked and abused, so that's nice to see as well. Come on around this way and we'll show you some of the rest of the car. You can see the sport bumper on the back there. It does have the full sport kit on it. You can see there a lovely set of black leather in the car. It's the full comfort specs, so you have the armrests, you have the 3-spoke sports steering wheel as well. Now, if you'd like, we can take this wee car for a test drive and you can see just how well this thing drives. This car really does drive lovely. The automatic box is so smooth. The engine itself is actually pretty smooth as well. There's no clatter, no noises out of it, no smoke out of it or anything. You know, it just really runs lovely. And what we'll do actually is we'll turn down this road, which is quite twisty, and you'll be able to see that even in those lower end springs, like this car really does just stick to the road very well. You know, corners very nicely. It's very direct. There's no play, like you can see that's actually making a difference. There's no play on the steering like there is in a lot of E34s when the steering box becomes a bit slack. And this is very direct, very purposeful. You know, no whines from the power steering either. You know, it just drives really, really well. No untoward noises at all. You can see there around that corner, like there's no hiccups, no creaks from the suspension or anything. You know, and we feel very snug in here in our nice black leather. It's just a really nice place to be. We've got the electric sunroof up there, which is fully functional to keep things cool. We've got a pop there at the minute, or we can open it right up and you can see everything that's going on above you, and all we can see is lovely blue skies today. The car is quite economical as well. It does something in around 35 to 40 miles a gallon, which is respectable enough for what you have here, a 2.5 direct injection diesel. Bodywork, as we looked at on the car, bodywork's really quite good. There's a couple of small little rust blisters. There's one on the boot just underneath the lock, underneath the lock, and there's a little crack on the front bumper on the front corner. Otherwise, the condition's really good of the bodywork. A few scratches and things in the paint. Obviously, it's just untouched. You know, the car hasn't been really dressed up, you know, to hide a myriad of faults or anything. At the same time, it has been looked after throughout its years, and it's just in a good original condition. There's a few upgrades as well. It has this lovely little Kenwood CD player, USB and auxiliary and Bluetooth and all those, and it has upgraded speakers throughout. So there's JBLs in the front, JVCs I think at the rear. That nice little bit of sound quality to the car and just bring the audio a wee bit up to it as well. So the leather's in really good condition, there's no rips or anything. The steering wheel's even pretty good as well. The car is definitely not worn out. It's in really good condition for mileage in the year. All your electrical functions work as they should. You know, you've got the lights, you've got front fog lights. Wipers are actually pretty good. E34 common problem is for the wipers to be a little bit slack. On this here, they're not too bad at all. And you have electric mirrors, you have electric windows throughout, all 4 of them. And well, that's really about it. Everything works. So with the lowering kit, you know, the nice wheels, the body kit, which is really increasing in value now. The original sport bumpers. You know, the car really, it sits well, it looks well. Scorpion exhaust at the back. It just has a nice feel to it, this car. There's nothing better than looking at a new car for sale on a nice sunny day. And what better sunny day, and what better hopefully modern, usable, retro classic to look at and to consider. Everybody needs an E34. But this one is for sale, this one can be yours. Just give us a call. Come and take a test drive for yourself.